My name is Kiran Makkar, and today I'm going to discuss with you ideas for a cue card which is being seen nowadays, that is in Jan 2016 in the IELTS speaking test. Describe a person who has apologized to you. Who this person is, when this happened, what this person said for apologizing, and explain how you felt about the apology. Knowingly or unknowingly, we all do some wrong things in life for which we feel sorry within ourselves. Sometimes we hurt another person, or sometimes someone else hurts our feelings. Whenever I realize my mistake, I don't hesitate to feel sorry immediately. Here, I would like to talk about my friend Rohan, who apologized to me for spilling ink on my assignment. Rohan is my best friend. He is 20 years old and he is not tall but looks very handsome. He has dark curly hair and a dimple on his cheek, which looks very nice when he smiles. It so happened that 2 days before our pre board exams of plus 2, we had to submit our physics assignment. We both had prepared our assignments with great effort and were very happy with the end result. Rohan had bought a new ink pen and was trying to write his name on the cover page of the assignment, but there was some problem with the pen. In an effort to start writing with the pen, he shook it hard and the whole ink fell on my assignment, which was also lying there. I was on the verge of tears. All my hard work was wasted. He also felt bad and said sorry to me. I could see from his face expressions that he was really sorry. But my heart was sinking. I knew it was not his fault, so I forgave him. But I also knew that I would have to write my assignment all over again. Rohan stayed up with me the whole night and helped me in preparing my assignment all over again. It would not have been possible without his help. The next day, we both submitted our assignments and got very good grades from our teacher. Saying sorry cannot undo the harm, but it can definitely make you feel less bad about things. My friend tried to cover up for his mistake by first saying sorry and then helping me. Even today, we are the best of friends. So this is a cue card I have prepared, and if you have to, for girls, if they want the name of their friend here, they can write instead of Rohan any other name, and then instead of the word handsome here, you can say beautiful, and this is slight changes you can do, and you have many other things when many other ideas when other people say sorry to you. So you can put up any idea, but this is just one idea that you can speak on. And I have tried to make it keeping in mind most the age of most of the students I have in my setup here in my center. uh, I'll also be discussing some follow-up questions. Is it important to say sorry? Yes, it is important to say sorry because it makes you feel less guilty, and you can tell the other person that you realize your mistake and would not do such a thing in the future. In what situations do other people say sorry? People say sorry when they do something wrong knowingly or unknowingly and when they realize their mistake. They also say sorry when they want to clear any misunderstanding with their friend or family member. Why do some people hate to say sorry? Some people hate to say sorry because they have an ego and they think that they would be belittled if they say sorry. Sometimes they don't realize their mistake. Sometimes they think that the other person is at fault and he should say sorry. So here I've used the word belittled. Belittled means that they would become smaller. They would be depreciated. so they don't want to say sorry. In what situations should we apologize immediately? We should apologize immediately when we realize our mistake, or when we don't want any misunderstanding to happen, or when we don't want our friendship to be broken, or when we want our relationship with the other person to be even stronger. For example, in a crowded place, when we unintentionally bang into someone, or um, when we forget to switch off our phones, um, and if it starts ringing and disturbs the whole class, I don't waste any time in saying sorry. So here it should be I when I forget. Okay. When do people say thank you? People say thank you when someone does something for them, or gives them a gift, or wishes them on festivals and special occasions. People thank other people for their help or service, for example, a waiter in a restaurant to the attendants at the fuel pumps, etc. When was the last time you found it hard to accept an apology? The last time I found it hard to accept an apology was when my 10-year-old cousin damaged my laptop and I lost all my important documents. I was very dejected but could do nothing about it. My cousin said sorry to me so many times, but I remember I did not talk to him properly for 2 weeks and I have never let him touch my things again. So, these are just a few ideas for the follow up questions that can be there in this cue card. I hope you've enjoyed these ideas. If you've really enjoyed, then don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe to my channel for more such ideas. And these cue cards will be important till mid-April at least. So all those who have to take your exam by then should do them nicely. Thank you so much.